Petpooja USP Explainer. USP's full form is Unique Selling Points. As you already know, we've distributed Petpooja in the form of modules, and each of these modules have playlists inside Petpooja tutorials channel. Now, these modules are made up of operation types, for example, payment, sales, billing, etc. Each of these modules contain products, features present inside Petpooja ecosystem and its related videos. Inside each of the module, we have placed a USP explainer video. This USP explainer video contains all the benefits, needs, tips, tricks, common mistakes to avoid, and key metrics for that particular module. So you can go to our YouTube channel, click on the necessary playlist of that module, and you'll find the USP explainer video for that module inside that. The aim of this video is to give you a crux of the products and features we sell for that particular module in Petpooja. Thank you.